Alright, next up we have Ryan. You're going to do a super box. They got 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll the die. Here we go. Off the table. Try again. 5 doesn't count, but 4 does. 2, 1, 3 with the smiley. 4. There we go. Found it. Ryan, you'll be in the drawing when those last 3 boxes they sell. We'll randomize off another free pack. You and Super are the 2 on there for the first 2. One card. And it is... What did you win? Is that Reggie Bush? Looks like Reggie Bush. Maybe it's not. That doesn't look like Reggie Bush's autograph. Who is that? Marquise? Oh wait. L.C. Greenwood is the vintage card. You got an autographed picture or something along those lines. I think that's an autographed picture. And nice looking chunk in this one. Ronnie Hillman rookie patch autograph, numbered to 1353. Nice patch in that one. Okie doke, that'll do it. Ryan, appreciate it, man. I'll get it on the way. See ya.